Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can enable split screen view in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on special features, click on split view, and here you have to enable this 3-finger swipe for split view. You can see when you just do this, but setting does not support split view. You have to click on any of the app like this. You have to do this and click on the other app. You can see two apps work on the one screen. You can see you can use both of them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.